Oh boy, what's going on? This is the first time Chico has ever seen a squirrel on the screen. We've never had a squirrel on the screen before. What do you think? He's actually being surprisingly good right now. This thing is such a little dick, honestly. It's just sitting there. It's been there for like 15 minutes. It hasn't moved. Pretty sure it's alive. It's just being an asshole. Right, he went to the other window. You can't see it out that window, buddy. What is it? What is it? So I'm having a little Christmas get-together tomorrow, and my mom is currently guarding all of the alcohol that we just bought for said party. What you doing in there, Ma? You got all that? You protecting all that stuff? I am. You're doing a great job. Are you being my helper?
Yes.
Are you my list reader?
Yes.
He's also just saying random things that we don't need from the grocery store and telling me to buy them.
36-pound bag of raw peanuts. It says, I think right here.
I don't think we need that, Justin. If you want to carry it, you can get it.
I would.
You know, guys, normally I wouldn't cave to this kind of pressure, but you want to see what I just found in the ridiculous breakfast snack aisle? What is this? Red Velvet Pop-Tarts. I think so. I think that's a glaring yes. Bum ba da bum ba da da bum 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 ba da. I think this is quite the beverage setup over here. We've got basically everything we need to suit all tastes. So it's gonna be amazing. I actually just found out that Christine and Eric are gonna be in town tomorrow, which is phenomenal. A whole bunch of people are gonna be coming over to my house to have a little get together for the holidays, and I am mega flippin' stoked, as you can tell. And now I need to get to cleaning my whole house because it is basically covered in Chico hair. As a matter of fact, there's one now. Hang on. Yep. There it is. I know you can't see it, but that's a Chico hair. It's everywhere. So this is the first time ever that I've totally forgotten to film an intro clip until after the intro should have already happened. So late good hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Vlogmas. I suck. Whoa, okay. So Chico and I have some pretty incredible news to share with you. You're standing on my pillow, dude. Get your feet and or penis off of my pillow. He thinks he owns the place. He pretty much does. So after how many freaking weeks has it been of me being super picky and insane and not getting this done, finally, the Drunk Gaming shirt is released on dftba.com. I will put a link on screen right here, and I will put a link down in the description below for you guys to check that out and pre-order your Drunk Gaming shirts now. I am so freaking stoked for these shirts, you guys. Wyatt and I have worked on them for such a long time, and I was being so crazy about them, and I changed so many minor details until it came out to be this like absolutely ridiculously amazing, awesome shirt that I love so much, and I cannot freaking wait to get one of my own. Like, I don't even have one yet, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like when it's officially printed. So the designs look like this. There's a blue one, a brown one, and a black one. I kind of maybe just didn't position my hand correctly on screen, but you get the picture. So those are the shirts, guys. That is my first release for Drunk Gaming, and I'm so excited about it. I'm really pleased with how the shirts came out. So if you guys are interested in purchasing some of that merch and supporting Drunk Gaming and supporting me and supporting my brother, please click the link on screen now or click in the description and pre-order one of those. It really does mean a lot to me that you guys wear the shirts, not only because it is, you know, income and it is like my job and I make money from this, but it is also really freaking cool to see something that kind of came together as like a part of our community being worn by a bunch of people who are members of the community. It's just crazy to see something that's like a part of your life become a kind of real visual thing. I know that was a really bad way to explain that, but it is really incredible to see people wearing your merch. I honestly just, there's no better feeling. It makes me so happy. So yes, if you pre-ordered it, please tweet me and I will send you little love notes and thank you from the very bottom of my heart, because honestly, it is the best thing ever. So yeah, new merch. It's so rad. I'm so happy with how it came out. So please at least go and check it out. Even if you can't buy it or you don't want to buy it, at least go and check it out, because it would mean a lot to me to get your opinions on it. Also, a few of you guys have asked me several times if I play guitar because you've seen this bad boy in the background of my videos. I would love to tell you that I can actually play guitar, but I'm really not super good. I only know a couple of songs, but I feel like it is kind of stupid for me to have a guitar in the background of my videos simply because it is aesthetically pleasing. And so I am going to play you the little that I remember of Blackbird by the Beatles. So just bear with me here, guys. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. And then I think the middle part is something like blackbird fly. Oh god, that's not right. Yeah, like I said, this is why I don't play guitar, because I'm really not that good. But I super love that song, so I just wanted to show you that I at least kind of, maybe a tiny little teensy weensy bit know how to play something on the guitar. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and for putting up with my absolutely awful rendition of a timeless classic. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow. Say goodnight to Chico and to my giant new pimple that I'm growing just for you guys. Good night, Beak. Oh my god, you're so precious. Good night, buddy.